Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, I am Zara Naheed Alam and welcome to my show Cuisines by Zara. Today I am going to cook Murgh shorba or the chicken curry. For this we will need chicken 500 grams, onion cut into longitudinally cut 2 numbers, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, red chilli powder 2 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala powder half tablespoon, bay leaf 1 number, salt to taste, and oil 150 ml or half cup. Now heat a pan and put oil into it. Now let it be heated properly because it is mustard oil, so it should be heated properly. Onion is now golden brown and we will add chicken into it. Stir, stir. Now add turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder, coriander powder. Stir properly so the spices are coated over the chicken. Now add 2 cups of water. And the last but not least, salt. Cover the pan and cook it for 10 minutes on medium flame. Now after 10 minutes the chicken is properly cooked. Now I will add garam masala into it and stir. Simmer the flame and cover for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I will dish it off. Our chicken is ready. I will dish it out. Now chicken shorba is ready. Serve it with warm naan or rice. And now please subscribe my channel Cuisines by Zara. Thank you.